What's up guys, it's Krista, back with another video. Today I'll be showing you how to become a Prodigy legend. So first, you'll need to get into your account, select the world, and go over here. So first thing, to become a Prodigy legend, you have to have pretty good armor. I recommend you go here and go to the Coliseum and battle in Clink Boot. You see this, one of these gives the duelist boots, which is really good. Duelist robes, and I think that's duelist hat. Oh, this is a really good one. So the duelist boots gives you 8 heart bonus. If I can, yeah, it's right. 8 heart bonus. It's really good. And this is not very hard. Another key thing to become a Prodigy legend is you have to have all of the gems. You have to have all the gems. To do that, you have to complete every single map. You can also do arena, which you get arena points, and if you get a lot of arena points, you can like receive like these sparkle awards right here. These also look really good. And another tip, I say this sometimes, is to just buy membership. Because if you buy membership, you level up 50% faster, and you get like a ton of cool stuff like member boxes and stuff. Oh, also if you watch my last video, I uploaded how to hack, so you can automatically become a Prodigy legend. So okay guys, another one thing that's important is doing the bounties. These bounties gives a lot of points, and if you click on Bordy, you can get like if you have like 100 bounty points, this power orb, the wand, is really good. So it has 20 power bonus. It's like the best wand in the game, tied with like Miras and stuff and Dragon Eggs. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, also you'll need a lot of gold to like spend on your outfits. Oh, also spin the wheel every day, so then you can get free stuff. And this one too, if you can. Oh yeah, I recommend you not to battle the Titan, because it doesn't give like super duper good outfits. And Titan doesn't give gold, so which is sad. Okay, that will wrap it up for this video today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with as many people as you can, and peace.